In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 legit applications that is going to pay you within minutes, because a lot of Nigerians do not actually know that it can make money online. A lot have been struggling between 9 to 5. A lot have been struggling between how they can actually start making money. But if you are coming across this video for the first time on this channel, I preach about how you can actually make money online for the comfort of your home, because I have been doing this since 2020 and up to now. This year is 2026. I am still doing this and I'm able to make money online. And as long as I can do this, you also can do this. Without wasting much of our time, let us get down into the video. I'll be right back. The first application we are looking at is an application called Foap. This application, you can find it on the Google Play Store and you can find it on Apple Store. All you have to do in this application, okay, let us find it out right now. So we are just going to go to Google Play. Okay, Google Play. Please mind you that I am using laptop for this, so there's no way I'm going to download this application on my laptop. But if you are using a phone, you'll be able to download the application on your phone, because Google Play supports phones, right? It supports smartphone. Apple Store supports smartphone, but I'm using a laptop for this, for the sake of this video, for the sake of this demonstration, so that we can all see as I'm looking at it, as I'm searching for it. All right, so I'm just going to search Foap right now. Foap. Now it brings us here. As you can see, all you have to do is just install it on your phone. Now, what do you do on this application? This application is where you sell pictures. All right, there are companies, there are platforms that are looking for pictures to buy for their project. For example, a person who is a graphics designer, a person who is a video editor, the person has been given a gig to edit a 1-hour video, and in that video the person who is talking is not showing their faces. Now this type of editor will go online to search for pictures that are matching the video. The person is going to download this picture to his phone or his laptop and is going to use it for this edit. But there is a problem. You cannot go online to download just any pictures, because copyright is a serious offense anywhere in the world. Even in Nigeria, we have NCC, Nigerian Copyright Commission, that is going to arrest anybody who is stealing anybody's property. All right, so if you want to sell pictures, these people will come to you, buy your pictures, and they will be able to use it for anything they want to use it for, because they have paid you, who is the original creator. Now, one of the platforms that they can buy your pictures is Foap. What do? You take pictures of anything that you know that will sell. This is example: a picture of a sunset, a picture of a sunrise, a picture of a stormy sea, a picture of a calm sea, a picture of the jungle, a picture of lion, a picture of zebra. You know, all this kind of picture, you just have to think outside the box. You have to snap a beautiful cinematic picture. When you snap this kind of picture, just put it on Foap and you are going to sell it. People who need this picture will come and buy this picture from you, and you will be able to make money with this application. I hope you understand. If you don't understand this, please put it in the comments and I can revisit this video. I can put out more explanation about this application. Without wasting much of our time, let us go to the second application we have for today. Second application that we are talking about in this video is none other but Piggyverse. Let us search it right now. Piggyverse is an application, but you can also use their website. All right, so we are just going to search that. We are going to quit this and we are going to search Piggyverse. Piggyverse. All right, sorry I misspelled. So Piggyverse. Please note that you can download the application on Play Store and you can download it on Apple Store. All right, now let us go into their website right now. Now, this is what their website looks like. As you can see on the screen, get it on iPhone, get it on Android. All right, all you have to do is to create an account with this platform. Here on this platform, you are able to save money. But how you are able to make money on this platform is that you make money via interest. They call this kind of money making platform a low risk money making platform. All right, because it is low risk, your money is guaranteed. Now they have different type of safe lock that is going to guarantee a money back for you. All right, for example, if you are using their safe lock option, this will allow you to save money for a certain period of time, and you are going to guarantee and you are going to make back a guarantee interest of a certain amount of money. For example, you save 1 million naira for a period of 1 year, you are going to make back 200,000 naira instantly as an interest. And this 200,000 naira, you can withdraw it at any point in time. This is different from the 1 million naira you have saved. Of course, your 1 million naira is saved, and they are giving you extra 200,000 naira for you to do anything that you want with it. All right, there's another option whereby you save money and you are going to get interest on it daily for a period of 1 month. All right, and you can be able to withdraw it at the first date of the next month. All right, this is one thing that I use. I've been using this application for over 6 years now, and I've never regret using this application. All right, if you want to join Piggyverse, you can actually download it on Play Store and Apple Store, or use their website without downloading. It is as simple as A, B, and C. At number 3, we have a platform that we call Olymp Trade. Let us search that right now. Olymp Trade. Olymp Trade. Yes, what you do on this platform is that you are able to trade binary. Now, let me explain very well. Binary is different from Forex. Binary is different from crypto. But binary is more or less like similar to Forex in a way that you are able to predict a trade in 1 minute. This means that you are going to predict, for instance, USD, that it is going to go up or it is going to go down for a period of 1 minute. If you are right for this 1 minute, you make money, and if you are wrong for this 1 minute, you lose money. Do you understand this? This is a trading platform where people are actually making money. In the year 2014 to 2015 and 2016, I was using this application to make money. You can download it on Apple Store and you can download it on Play Store. All right, please note that to withdraw your money, you can either withdraw your money through Bitcoin, or you withdraw your money through other means like Skrill, like Pay Money. All these applications to withdraw money. You cannot withdraw money directly to your local bank account such as Wema Bank. You have to use a middleman system, and I will advise that you use Skrill to withdraw money. All right, if you don't know what Skrill is, just come online and search Skrill. It is as simple as ABC. Just search Skrill as I'm searching it on this screen right now. You just register, verify it, and connect it to your Olymp Trade. And with this, you'll be able to make money. You'll be able to send money to your local bank accounts. Am I understood? Next website we are looking at is called Fiverr and Upwork. I am reviewing these two websites together because these two websites are the same thing. Not that they are owned by the same people, but what you do on this website is literally the same thing. So if you create an account on Fiverr, you should also create an account on Upwork, because you get customers simultaneously, so you'll be making money in double ways. All right, now let me explain. Fiverr is a marketplace whereby you showcase your skill. This means that, let me even search it. So Fiverr, you search that. This is Fiverr. This is how it looks like. All right, and let's search the next one. Upwork. Okay, let's just verify this. Okay, verify you are a human. And this is what it looks like. Now, this is a marketplace whereby you showcase your skill. For instance, I am a video editor, so I am going to come here to Fiverr and I'm going to come to Upwork to create a profile. This will allow customer that needs my service to reach out to me and employ me and pay me. All right, Fiverr and Upwork are the middleman that connects a service provider to a direct consumer. For instance, I am somebody who needs somebody to write a piece for me. All right, I am going to come to Fiverr or I come to Upwork to do what? To hire somebody who is going to write for me. Now, when this person has written whatever I want them to write for me, I am going to pay them through Upwork or Fiverr, and they are going to receive that money on their own end. Do you understand? I am somebody who teaches people. All right, I can actually be an online tutor. I will come to Fiverr or I will come to Upwork to create a profile, and I'm going to get people who I am going to teach, for example, how to speak English. I'm going to get them, I'm going to teach them how to speak English, and they are going to pay me via Fiverr or Upwork. I hope you understand. If you need more explanation on this platform, please comment it in the comment section, and I'm going to create a whole education on this platform alone, and I'm going to put it on YouTube so that you can actually see them, you can watch them, and you can understand them. All right, now the aim of this video have been achieved. I hope you know how to make money online right now. All right, so if you like content like this, I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to comment on this video. I want you to tell a friend about this channel, and I'm going to see you on the next channel. Peace out.